I spent 15 years as a ghost. Not because I died, but because I stopped living. I sat at this desk fighting fires for people who didn't know my name, while my own life burned out in the background. I thought I was being a good provider. I thought as long as the fridge was full and the mortgage was paid, I was winning. But I was providing a lifestyle while failing to provide a life. I was sitting at this table every night, but I wasn't really here. I was just an ATM with a pulse. I was providing a lifestyle, but I was failing to provide a life. At 45, I realized the safe path was actually slow motion suicide. So I stopped asking for permission. I drew a line in the stand. I chose the dirt, the wine, and the risk over the safety of a cage. I'm standing here in my bar in Etiek because I decided that the price of staying was too high. Most men tell me, Dave, I can't leave, I have responsibilities. I hear you, I had them too. But have you ever calculated the cost of staying? What's the price your family pays for a father who is physically present but mentally dead? What is the price of your health when your spine is screaming because you have spent a decade hunched over a spreadsheet that won't matter in 6 months? We call the corporate job security, but it's the most dangerous place in the world because it steals your time, the only thing you can't earn back. I'm not saying quit tomorrow. I'm saying wake up tomorrow. Stop being a good provider for a company that would replace you in a heartbeat and start providing a legacy for the man you see in the mirror. The corporate world calls it security. I call it a bribe. They give you just enough to keep you comfortable, so you don't notice they're stealing your only non-renewable resource, time. You don't need more productivity. You need a different identity. You need to stop being an employee and start being the architect of your own second act. I'm not telling you to quit your job tomorrow. I'm telling you to wake up tomorrow. Look in the mirror and ask, who am I if I'm not a manager? I created the Prism Scorecard to help men see through the fog. I was 21 when I started. It was the wake-up call I needed to stop drifting and start designing. Download it below. Be honest with your score. And if you're ready to stop being a ghost, email me. Let's find your Monday again.